This is overview of the local proxy tab in the InstAccountsManager. You need to click the task you want to choose for the setting a local proxy, then choose a local proxy, and here we have it. Then you need to obligatory click instead of global proxy, use the local proxy list. If you choose it, then this task 1, will work with local proxy list. If, for example, in task 2 you not choose this on the left of the name, if you not click this checkbox, the task 2 will work with global proxy. The global proxy is in the setting, then global proxy, and here the accounts will take the proxy from the global proxy. But we're working with local proxy now. So here we can see the name, the quantity of the proxies, and auto update, yes or no. Then you need to click on its name and then right mouse click. Here we can see create new proxy list. For example, you click there, for example, name it 2, create. Then you can add, if you create the 2 proxy list, for example, in the accounts, you can click on account twice, then you can see the window, and here you can see proxy list. You can choose the main or the number 2. You can choose number 2 for this account. Come back in this. So local proxy list. We can add proxy to the selected list plus auto update. You can click there and we setting how to add proxy. You can add proxy with link or from file. Each proxy need to be in each line, so one proxy, one line. The same format for file. For the link, it can be in the website, and the same list of the proxy need to be. But with the link, we can auto update our proxy. For example, this working with this feature. So we put the link there, we put, for example, 10 proxy, but we want them to update regularly. So we put enable proxy auto update every, for example, 100 seconds, and delete recent proxy before updating. So every 100 seconds will be the new proxy list with a new 10 proxy, and we can delete the old proxy and add a new proxy from the list. It will be auto update in the website in that link you put there, for example, and it will be easier, so the program will do it automatically. You don't need to update it manually. Or you can add from the file, you click there and add the file from the computer. Also, you need to remember about the list, all possible separates between IP, port, login, password. For example, you have this separates, and you can add what you want if you have it on your document or where you have it on the website. So you need to check it. Is it all right? For the program, you need to always put the things that separate between IP and port, login, password. For example, the program need to know where you just separate one proxy from another proxy, how to you separate login and password. So it's very important. Always do this. Okay, then if the proxy type is not specified in file, use HTTPS or another type of proxy. If you don't know the type of proxy, you need to ask the person where you buy this proxy. So who sell you need to know what type of proxy he sell you. Okay, or you need to just check it in the website where you buy your proxy. Also, you can use same login and password for all proxy and choose login and password, and you just put it there. You can use it or you can not use it, as you like. And then you put add, and you add proxy there. Now we click there. What else we can see? Consider when using both local and global proxy. So we can see here connection type, keep alive, it's faster, or close, slower. So you choose what you like. Then you can click use an alternative method of sending HTTP request. It's suitable for proxies that bypass Instagram blocks. So if you bypass Instagram blocks, you can choose this. Use alternative method HTTP request. Then what you can do, another section, so how much proxy working in one account. For example, limits on one proxy, one account, one proxy, 2 account, 2 proxy. You can click there, limits only running accounts on the proxy, only 1 account on 1 proxy. So here you can choose, for example, 5, but if you click there, you limits only running accounts on 1 proxy. So 1 account, 1 proxy here. This means that it will not work in 5 accounts on 1 proxy. Only 1 if you click there. Also, you can choose allow only 1 account to run on each proxy. If there is another account with the same proxy, wait for the account 1 to finish. For example, you have 5 accounts in 1 proxy here, but you click there. So you have 5 accounts, and first account working, finish working, then second account working, finish working, then third account working, and fourth and fifth. So 5 accounts working one by one. Then you can click if account has no proxy, take a proxy from its proxy list on the main list if the list is not assigned. So this is main list. You can and if the accounts have no proxy, it's take it from the main list. You can click there, and accounts always will have the proxy from the main list. Also, if the proxy become bad, take another proxy from the same list. So if there is, for example, how you need to know that proxy is bad. Here we can see if there is connection error, make 550 connection attempts with delay 5 seconds. We recommend to put these numbers here, 50 and 5 seconds, so 250 seconds. It will be reconnection. If after this is no success, make proxy as bad. So, and then if the proxy become bad, take another proxy from the list. So we check the proxy 250 seconds, for example. If you want more, you can put here 100 or 10. So 50 seconds or 500 seconds, it will be reconnection every time. So the proxy will check in again and again. And then if it's bad, we will take proxy from the another list. And also we can remove bad proxies from the list. So if you see that this proxy for you is very bad and we will not use it anymore, you just choose remove bad proxy from the list, and it will just through the bad proxy from the list. Also, the last thing is if captcha on login. If you have a captcha, take another proxy, so it can help you to bypass the captcha if you choose another proxy when Instagram say it's a captcha. So this is like this something. So what we can see, we click all the task, we click on this task, then check local proxy, click there, instead of global proxy use local proxy list, and then we can add proxy list there by clicking right mouse click and then choose to create new proxy list, to delete, or we can edit selected proxy list, or we can edit proxy list, and for example now we have 9 because we edited. So, or we can add proxy to the selected list and add proxy there with link or from file, and then you have settings how much proxy working with how much accounts and how to delete bad proxy. So when you need to take a new one, you choose there what you like, what you don't like, not choose. So, and that's it, and you just start the task button with check the accounts, and accounts will work in how you're setting it in the with the local proxy. Here you can see proxy, and here you can see what the name of the proxy list they take, like you see there. Thank you so much, and this is how to set in the local proxy, and have a nice day. See you soon.